Lines, colors, and patterns have always been an integral part of Indian culture. As this year's Rivera's theme is Colors of India, so we have for you a perfect combination of these three. Every Indian child has a good and mesmerizing memory of Rangoli, whether it has been helping his or her mom making one or threatening his or her sister that's stepping on one. So here we have for you.
Well, while Deepika was busy scripting this video, I found this wonderful rangoli depicting a lot of things. Hello, what's your name?
I'm Pranali and she's Shraddha, my friend.
So Pranali, your rangoli depicts a lot of things. What have you included in this?
Actually, this year Rivera is having Colors of India theme. So the same we have trying to representing like the tiger, that is the national animal, our national bird, our national flower, our national game, then our monuments. Then we have shown their Mangalyaan, which is the great success for India.
Guys, if you're angry at anyone, if you're fuming on anyone and you want a revenge, then this event is just the exact place you need to be present at. All that you got to do is take a wet sponge drenched in water, look at the person you want vengeance with, and just hit like that, people. This is yet another event with unlimited fun and unlimited stalls. In this event, you play in a team of two. In this event, you have to throw a water-filled balloon at the other participant. And if he is successful to catch the balloon 4 times out of 5, then you get double the money. So this is exactly the place. If you have incredible confidence in your catching skills, you can just come here and make some money.
Hello, VIP. Right now I'm standing with a person who has experienced every sphere of life. Ma'am, you are a writer, singer, composer, environmental activist, and an entrepreneur. So many that I have lost my count. So how do you manage all these talents together?
I didn't think about it like that. I just do what I feel like at that moment.
Okay, fine. And you know you're staying there till now has been very short.
Yes.
So how is the overall experience till now from being a team and everything?
It's been really nice so far. I haven't seen much of the campus yet. I'm going to go now, do my sound check and my performance, and I hope I'll be able to see a little bit of your campus. I've heard it's really beautiful. The guest house is really nice. It's quite beautiful and clean.
Okay. And let me tell you one thing honestly.
Yes.
Crowd is bursting with excitement since they have heard your presence in the campus.
Oh, awesome.
So-
So am I.
Okay. So what's your expectations from the crowd tonight?
My expectation from the crowd is that everybody's going to sing along and really have a good time, dance. When I say the word, everyone's going to dance and be totally happy and energetic and love the music. You have a lot of other really talented artists as well tonight, Suresh and Penny. I'm really excited to be performing.
And since you know so many languages, Tamil, Kannada, English, Spanish, so can you please sing 2 lines for us in Spanish?
In Spanish,
Yeah.
gracias a la vida que me ha dado tanto, y Dios lo sé, que cuando los abro.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing the campus.
Hello VIT, bright sunny day in Vellore, and I'm here at Woodstock supporting Juvenile Care, which is conducting its event Walkathon, which is against child abuse. Here I'm here with Shivam. He'll be telling you something about the event.
Hello, actually Juvenile Care is a NGO which is working for children. We work for orphans, children who don't have the basic bare necessities to live life. And this walkathon is basically an event to inform and to actually spread awareness among the college about these issues that are going on. Because
And guys, here I am present with the team of Manipal, the dramatics team of Manipal called as Aina. Let's just go and talk to them. They just have a phenomenal performance of dramatics. Just talk to them. Let's just go and talk to them. Hello sir, what's your name?
My name is Pallav Singh.
Yeah, Pallav, can you tell us what was the theme of your play that you just had right now?
Is it fine if I talk in Hindi? हमारा नाटक था फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन के ऊपर. आजकल आप देख रहे थे कि चार्ली हेब्डो को भी फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन ग्रांट नहीं हुई. ऐसे ही हमने जो कैरेक्टर उठाया है वो है सफदर हाशमी, हु इज ट्रीटेड एज द फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडियन स्ट्रीट प्ले. ही वाज किल्ड इन झंडापुर इन गाजियाबाद. सो through that character, we try to revolve the story around freedom of expression, our central theme.
Hello VIT. Right now I'm here at the event VIT Roadies, as you can see, and here I'm with Mr. Rishi. So I'm gonna walk you with some questions. Sir, आप अभी तक as a your roadie, so आप अभी हमारे roadies को how are you finding them?
अभी तक ज़्यादा नहीं, 4 लोगों के ऑडिशंस लिए हैं, पर्सनल इंटरव्यू हुए हैं 4 लोगों के, 2 मुझे बहुत पसंद आए हैं और जो बाकी 2 भी थे वो ठीक थे, तो अभी पेंडिंग लिस्ट में डाला है, बाकी पूरा दिन बाकी है, अभी लेट्स सी कैसे लोग मिलते हैं।
तो आप एक पार्टिसिपेंट के अंदर एज अ रोडी क्या देखते हो?
जैसा कि मैंने हमेशा कहा है, रोडीज इज़ नॉट जस्ट अ टीवी शो, इट्स अ वे ऑफ लाइफ, इट्स एन एटीट्यूड। तो मैं कुछ ऐसे ही लोग देखना चाहता हूँ, ढूंढना चाहता हूँ जिनमें वो एटीट्यूड हो, जिनमें वो स्पार्क हो। रोडी बनने की कोई पर्टिकुलर डेफिनेशन नहीं है, हज़ारों की भीड़ में से जो अपने आप को स्टैंड आउट कर सके वो एक रोडी है। तो ऐसे ही लोगों को मैं ढूंढने के लिए यहाँ बैठा हूँ।
So sir, last question. What are you finding? Like, what's your experience till now in VIP?
अभी तक VIT में बड़ा अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है, सुबह से यही हूँ, काफ़ी अच्छा क्राउड है, बहुत बड़ा फेस्ट हो रहा है आपका और वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी है इंडिया में ये, तो अच्छा लग रहा है अभी तक तो। और इस तरह के किसी एक इवेंट में मुझे एज अ जज बुलाया गया है, काफ़ी आई एम फीलिंग रियली ग्लैड और देखते हैं अब आगे ऑडिशन में कैसा होगा।
Can you tell me anything about the history of Kshatriya?
We have been participating in the event since past 8 years and we have a very rich history. Starting from car number 39, we secured 8th position. Car number 115, we secured 4th position. And car number 04, we secured 3rd position. And right now, we are going to Bahasa India 2015 with car number 3. So, wish us all the luck. Team Kshatriya is gonna win!
All the best, guys. Can you just show me driving the car?
Hello VIT. Now we are in front of Anna Audi and we had an awesome event of Style Check Prelims. I'm standing beside an participant from VIT Chennai. Hello, what's your name?
Suraj Khanna.
Okay. What event did you come here for?
For Style Check and I'm pretty excited actually. And I've just performed. I've just given my performance and I'm waiting for the result.
Okay, so this was for Style Check and let's hope you win the event. What are your chances you think that you can win this event?
Yeah, I think everything is not winning, but actually hard work and plus smart work and teamwork will help us to win, I think.
Well, by looks I can say you have a pretty good chance. Okay, thank you so much.
Hello VIT. Right now I'm with the pioneers of the Indian rock genre in India, that is the Indian Ocean. So sir, how was your experience performing in VIT today?
Oh, we had lots of fun. Amazing audience, lots of people, lots of enthusiasm, beautiful campus. I just wish the boys and the girls weren't separated.
We wish that same sir out here. Sir, your songs such as Mahadeva and Behne Do, like, what is so special about these songs? Like, why do you all do always such songs?
Oh, why do we do such songs? We just write songs that we like, and I mean we don't write lyrics. None of us in the band write lyrics, but we've been working with a person called Sanjeev Sharma for a very long time, and we love the way he writes. And Mahadeva is a traditional song, so I mean whatever themes and music interests the band, we do it. There's no real set plan on what kind of song we should do.
Sir, this request comes from the entire VIT University. Your song Bande. It is internationally recognized. So please, could you just sing 2 lines for me?
Oh man!
So just 1 line, sir.
Just do the dead.
So stay tuned with us. We'll be back bigger and better for Gravitas 2015. Thank you.
The campus life like you have never seen before. We have the pirates, the clowns, the drama queen, the shopaholics, and the sexiest people ever.